Today we're diving into a topic that has been a hot and controversial issue within our community: the impact of EPA regulations on diesel tuning. As we all know, EPA's impact has resulted in diesel tuners and performance manufacturers to close doors. But fear not, in the midst of these challenges, there's a ray of hope that comes in the form of SEMA Garage. As you can see right here, SEMA Garage, Detroit. Join me as we explore how SEMA Garage is helping the diesel tuning community navigate the ever-changing landscape of emissions compliance. Let's get started. Before we dive into SEMA Garage, let's briefly discuss the impact of EPA regulations on the diesel tuning community. The EPA's goal is to improve air quality by reducing emissions from diesel engines. While this is undoubtedly important, it has posed challenges for truck owners and tuners alike. Let's talk about challenges faced by diesel tuners. Stringent EPA regulations have imposed greater challenges on diesel tuners, subjecting them to strict limitations and regulations when it comes to writing tunes for optimal performance. The introduction of complex emissions control systems such as DPFs and SCRs often comes with a high price tag. Additionally, aftermarket modifications that tamper with emissions device can lead to legal repercussions. It's a frustrating situation for the diesel community. Now let's talk about SEMA Garage, a game changer for diesel tuners seeking emissions compliance. SEMA Garage is an invaluable resource provided by the Specialty Equipment Market Association, as known as SEMA. It serves as a one-stop shop for performance parts manufacturers, including diesel tuners.
So it's a four-wheel drive, full AVL emissions dyno. This is a multi-million-dollar investment by SEMA to be able to do this. So we can test gasoline vehicles in here, we can test diesel vehicles in here, we can even do battery electric vehicle range testing in here. These dyno rolls basically simulate the road load conditions that you would see out on the street, and then we collect the emissions in this pipe from the tailpipe of the vehicle and seal that, and then it goes basically out that pipe to our emissions analyzers. And then we analyze those emissions, and then we compare them against the emission standards for that vehicle, and then we can basically prove to CARB or the EPA that yes, this vehicle is emissions compliant. And at that point, we can reach out and we can do the paperwork and we can get a CARB-EO. Or if you want to sell in 49 states outside of California, we can give you a SEMA certified, and you can start selling it right away, that component, after you demonstrate compliance.
One of the most significant benefits of SEMA Garage is its emissions testing and certification program. Tuners can bring their products to SEMA Garage, where they undergo rigorous testing to meet emissions compliance standards. This allows manufacturers to obtain certifications faster, saving them from the lengthy process of acquiring CARB-EO.
Okay, so how could SEMA Garage emissions testing benefit the diesel community?
Well, the obvious one is to demonstrate compliance, right? So we're working on being a recognized lab here in Detroit with CARB and the EPA. So they can demonstrate compliance, and if you can do that, then you can get the CARB-EO, you can get the SEMA certified and demonstrate that. So the emissions testing is basically kind of your ticket to be able to sell those components legally in the United States. So we can help with that. Also, being a non-profit organization, the SEMA, it really helps keep the test costs down. So all we're looking to do is cover our costs. We're not looking to make a profit off of our SEMA members. So it really helps because to be emissions compliant in a cost-effective manner too. And the SEMA certified program also shortens the time to market, so it really helps you capitalize and get your return on investment faster than you ordinarily would.
SEMA Garage empowers the diesel tuning community by providing support and resources to navigate the complex world of emissions compliance. With faster certifications processes, manufacturers can bring their innovative tuning products to market sooner, offering enthusiasts more options while staying within legal boundaries. As diesel truck enthusiasts, it is vital for us to stay engaged, informed about the evolving landscape of emissions regulations. By working together, supporting organizations like SEMA Garage, and advocating for reasonable regulations, we can preserve the diesel tuning culture we love. And subscribe to our channel for more content on diesel truck tuning and performance. Also, let's not forget about the significant impact SEMA Garage has on aftermarket performance manufacturers, including Turbomaker. SEMA Garage provides a platform for these manufacturers to test and certify their products, ensuring they meet emissions compliance standards. This streamlined process helps Turbomakers, other performance parts manufacturers, bring in their innovative products to market faster, offering enthusiasts a wider range of options to enhance their diesel trucks. Together, let's support SEMA Garage, fuel the future for diesel tuning and performance. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and join the conversation in the comments below. Until next time, keep those diesel engines roaring. Alright, so first test drive with the Pulsar. It is on level 5, so in the neighborhood you're not gonna really tell the difference. We'll take it out to the main road and maybe even take it out to the interstate and then come back just to see if you can notice any difference. We gotta figure out how to change the throttle sensitivity as well, because you can do that on the Pulsar.
Oh yeah.
What, just from that?
On the pedal.
Just from that?
Just from that on the pedal. Usually it's a little kind of, it's slow and then it takes off. I mean, I barely touched it and it went.
So the throttle sensitivity is already better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And that's not even really doing anything.
Yeah. And mind you guys, this is on a 9-inch lift, 24x14 forged wheels, and some 38-inch nittos. So it's not a stock truck, so for you to be able to tell the difference, that's kind of impressive. And we are on the highest tune or level.
Because I noticed, you know, when I'm regular driving, I'm something like that, it's kind of that stall till you really push it.
Yeah.
That was just automatic. Dude, I'm not kidding. That's crazy. That's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with just this little bit of drive.
Right?
So far.
All right.
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, that's not bad. Wow.
Dude. Did you see the RPMs? I mean, it was just, that's amazing. I'm impressed.
All right, so you had a LLY Duramax that was tuned, and how does this compare really to that tuned LML? Do you remember how driving that felt? You're gonna turn right. I'm sorry.
That was pretty just like this, responsive, but of course the other truck was a lot louder.
Yeah.
But very quick. As soon as you hit the pedal, you're going. This feels the same way. And I know this is an L5P, so good man.
And 10 speed. Holy smokes. Yeah. That gets up and goes.
Jeez. That's the difference. Oh yeah. I'm liking this. It was good. Anybody that especially wants to keep their emissions intact.
Yeah. And warranty intact.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now we're on the interstate, going 50. Let's say, you know, we're on the on-ramp, so we gotta merge. What? It's quick?
No, it opens up, yeah. It's a different animal here, for sure. Dude, I'm already up to 70, that quick.
Alright, so we are at a stoplight right now. Don't want to floor it here. But in case you guys didn't know, these trucks take off in second gear. Unless you put it in the tow haul mode. Holy. Yo. Alright, I'm gonna have to do that again, but oh my god. Alright, mind you guys, I have a fully ECM custom tuning, and you know, that is the way to go. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, this for emission compliant, I think this might be the new way of doing it, instead of like sending off your ECM and getting somebody else to send you the custom calibration. I think the Edge Evo, it might be the way to go, guys. I mean, this is not bad at all.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Go straight.
That's ridiculous. I'm barely even tapping it. It sounds like that.
Oh yeah.
That's insane. I'd be like a kid all day with this thing.
Oh yeah. Sounds so good right here.
Oh my gosh.
It's axle dump too, so
yeah,
actually,
which makes it so much louder.
Yep.
So much closer to the ground.
turn right.
Oh my god, that thing claps. That's ridiculous.
That was a lot. You just dumped it on that person.
Just dumped it on him. I love this thing. What the heck are we doing?
Alright, turn right.
I do this thing now, today. I wish it was like GTA, like Los Santos Customs. You can pull up, be done in 2 seconds.
Exactly.
That'd be perfect.
Well, you're gonna have too much fun.
Oh my